one triangle, a handful of circles, and a couple of flips. Today, we're going to design kaleidoscope canes for polymer clay using Canva. Kaleidoscope canes are fantastic. Starting from a single triangle, they let you make 3 different patterns and a sheet with a beautiful, complex design. Today, I'm going to show you how to design kaleidoscope canes in Canva. If you haven't used Canva, it's an online graphic design tool that lets you create all kinds of visuals easily without needing to be a professional designer. To build our cane designs, we'll use the gradient option in Canva to create circles that resemble bullseye canes with a Skinner blend. If you don't know how to make Skinner blend canes, I'll leave a link in the description to a video that walks you through it step by step. The gradient option is available in Canva Pro. At the end of the video, beyond sharing my secret, I'll also show you a little trick to achieve this in the free version of Canva. First, let's choose the color palette. I've picked this vintage floral one, set it to one side so we can sample the colors. The top color will be the background color of the cane. With the other 6 colors, we'll make the bullseye canes. In the left sidebar, click Elements and under Shapes, choose the circle. Place it to the side and, by dragging from a corner, make it smaller. Select it and duplicate to make a circle that's exactly the same. In total, we need 6 circles. Now we need to color them. Select the first circle and, in the top bar, click the color swatch. The color panel will open. Click the first button, the one with the plus sign, and choose the eyedropper. Hover over the color you want to sample and click. The color will apply right away to the selected circle. Do the same with the other 5 circles. Now, let's add the gradient to mimic the bullseye canes. Select the circle and, again in the color panel, click the plus icon. In the color picker, click Gradient. There are several gradient types. Choose the radial gradient. Up top, you'll see the gradient colors. Lighten the lighter color a bit so the effect pops. Do the same with 3 other circles. For the last 2 circles, we're going to add 1 extra color. In gradient colors, click the plus to add a new color. I'm going to pick the same dark color so there's a lighter ring in the center. Finally, lighten the lighter color a touch. To finish, repeat the process with the last circle. Now we're going to design one section of the kaleidoscope cane. From this wedge, we'll build the full cane. When you make the cane with polymer clay, you'll need to make the triangle, stretch it, and cut it into 6 equal pieces. I'll leave a link in the description where you can see how to assemble a polymer clay kaleidoscope cane. But first, let's design it. In the left sidebar, click Elements and under Shapes, choose the triangle. In the top bar, add a 4-pixel border to the triangle. Then click the color swatch and fill the triangle with the first color from the palette. Delete the palette image and enlarge the triangle by dragging from a corner. Time to play with our circles. When you resize the circles, do it from the 4 sides of the selection, not the corners. Resize them and place them on the triangle. If you don't see a piece, it's probably sitting behind the triangle. To fix it, in the top bar click Position. In the panel that opens, go to Layers. Click and drag the 6 dots on the triangle layer and move it all the way to the bottom. To rotate the pieces, select each piece and use the rotation handle. To move them, hover over a piece, click and drag it to where you want it. Repeat with the other circles. To wrap up, let's download the triangle image to your computer. In the top right corner, click Share and then Download. For file type, choose PNG and check Transparent Background. Pick the page you want to download and click Done, then Download. Now it's time to assemble the cane and see what we get. For me, this step is always exciting. You never quite know what's going to emerge. Let's see what we've achieved with this triangle. In the left sidebar, click Uploads, and at the top, click Upload Files. Choose the triangle image and upload it to Canva. Click the image to place it on the canvas. Select it and duplicate it. In the top bar, click Flip and flip it horizontally. Position it to mirror the other triangle and join the two pieces. Sometimes it's a bit tricky to line up the two pieces perfectly. In those cases, your keyboard can help. Hold the Shift key while nudging the piece with the arrow keys. Select the last triangle and duplicate it. Flip it and place it on the other side. Download the image to your computer as PNG with a transparent background. Upload the image you just downloaded to Canva and place it on the canvas. Duplicate the image and flip it vertically. Join the two pieces. In the left sidebar, click Elements and under Shapes, choose the hexagon. Place it on top and size it to match the design we've created. In the top bar, add an 8-pixel border. Click the color swatch and set the fill to transparent. Fine-tune and save it to your computer. As you can see, depending on how we orient the triangle, we end up with 3 different canes. In Canva, you can also preview how a sheet would look with these canes. It's a very simple process, but it can give you a sense of the final result before you make the polymer clay cane. Place one cane on the canvas and shrink it. All you have to do is keep duplicating the piece and lining it up. Now let's look at a couple of tricks for free accounts. In free accounts, the gradient colors option and exporting with a transparent background aren't available. Let's work around it. To make the cane, go to Elements in the left sidebar. In the panel that opens, go to Frames and choose the round frame. In the search bar, type Gradient. Go to Photos and click See All. While many images are for paid plans, there are also plenty that are free. Click an image and drag it into the circle. The image will snap into the circle. Add a border, just like we did with the circles. If you double-click the image, you can enlarge it and move it. Now, the transparent background. We're going to use Photopea, a free graphic design tool. Download the image to your computer as JPG. In your browser, go to photopea.com. Click Open from Computer and upload the image you just downloaded. In the toolbar, choose the magic wand. Click anywhere on the image background to select it. At the top, click Edit, and in the menu that opens, click Clear. The background will be erased. To export the image, click File. In the menu that opens, click Export As and choose PNG. Click Save to download the image. If we bring the image into Canva now, you'll see it already has a transparent background. We're almost at the end of the video, but before I reveal my secret, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. That helps us keep making videos like this. This video is a co-creation between human and artificial intelligence. I'm Cinta's digital avatar, created with Hagen from an image made with ideogram, which in turn came from a photo of the human Cinta. We generated my voice with 11 labs, using a voice clone of the human Cinta. The human Cinta wrote the script and edited the video. With help from ChatGPT, she also gathered all the information needed to make this piece. The background music is by our fabulous human, Arturo González. If you want to learn all the secrets of artificial intelligence and apply them to your creative work, visit our website, CucuArt.online, and check out our course, Artificial Intelligence and Craft Innovating Tradition. I'll leave the link in the video description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.